We have like a skill tree for coding. You're trying to break me. You're trying to break me. Oh, it broke. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name's Aleaty, and today we are checking out The Farmer Was Replaced. The premise is simple. The farmer is replaced by a drone that we are programming to run a farming sim. Apparently this game uses a Python-like language to code the drone, and just to give you a little bit of a background, my programming skills are minimal. I have a design degree, and in that degree we learned HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and a tiny bit of Java. Never did anything with Python, I don't think. So we'll see how we go with this. I love this little piggy bank drone. Is he collecting our money and our gold? Because that's cool. Let's start and find out. Getting started, this window contains information about everything in the game. So this window is important. You can move windows around by dragging and dropping the grey parts of the window, just like a computer. You can move around by dragging anywhere outside the windows. Oh, so you can move this too. But what if I lose this? Oh, we're going to snap. No, we're not always going to snap. We have to go searching for it. What is the limit? I can't tell because it's just blue screen. Not me already trying to find the limit of the map. To get started with programming, go to the first program page by clicking it. Be sure to check out the buttons in the top right corner of the screen. Hover over them to see tooltip explaining what they're... Okay, so we have these. Create a new code file. Open a new info window. Open the unlock tree. We have like a skill tree for coding. Okay, we're gonna slow down a second because I have no idea what I'm doing. First program. Don't worry if this is your first time programming. Excellent. So we're going to be beginner friendly. The language is unlocked step by step, so you won't be overwhelmed by all the things you could do. And then the people who know how to program will just go insane in the first text box. Currently, there are 2 drone commands available: harvest and do a flip. Immediately coding do a flip. Yep, do a flip. What is this? Execute. Starts and stops execution code in this window. Executes one step of the code. Bam. Hello world, run your first program. Acrobat, do a flip. How do I get the pig one to do a flip? We aren't that advanced yet. Okay, clear that. Maybe we should try harvest. I think harvest is the one that I should have done. Can I do it without the brackets or do I error? Oh, yep, it's not a valid statement. We get it. Did it work? Oh, it's going to the pig. We just keep harvesting. How do I do a loop function? I just want it to keep going. No idea. Past pet the piggy? Wait. I'm finding more code options. Pet the piggy. Oh, hold on. Yeah, I know. I gotta make it an actual function. Feels good. Pet the piggy. Wait, I didn't get to see the piggy because my window is in the way. He's actually going to pet it. Cute. You can think of your code as a sequence of statements. You can run multiple statements in a row like this. Harvest, do a flip, harvest. How do I loop? How do I loop? How do I do if then? Do a flip, harvest. This is how they're going to teach kids Python in school now. Run the whole thing. Harvest, do a flip, harvest. Excellent. Unlocks. Collecting grass will give you hay. Hay can be used to unlock loops in the unlock menu. Open the unlock menu with the button in the top right corner. Increases the yield of grass 100% to 200%. Unlock costs 300 hay. Do I have enough for it? How much hay do I? I've got 7. Do I have enough? I really just want to do a loop function. I guess I just have to keep... Can I just copy, paste, copy this? No, I didn't mean to cut it out. Copy this, paste this. Damn it, if I knew code, maybe I would know how to do a loop function. All right. There we go. A list of harvest. I need 300. I need to find a better way to do this. What if I just throw loop down there? See what happens. Harvest, 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 harvest. Error. Oh, cause a runtime error is a Steam achievement. Change hat. Wait, that gave me a new thing. Change hat? Question mark. Unlocks.dinosaurs must be unlocked before this can be used. Dinosaur? Okay, there's dinosaurs. I love that trying different things reveals something. Now I've lost my harvesters. There we go. Oh, I see. It's a drone is wearing like a hat. There is a change hat function that I don't have yet. Why do I need 300 to get this? What do I need for this? Oh, well, why can't I unlock this one? What I can't... There's a loop. I thought I already had... I think this is my starting square. There is a loop right there. If anyone's played this game before and they're watching me play, it's like the loop is there. The loop exists. You're an idiot. Okay. Wow, yes, okay, unlock the while loop. Thank you. This is what I wanted the whole time. You have unlocked the while loop, and the fact it's true and false. The while loop keeps executing the loop body as long as the condition is true. While condition, loop body. Got it. Okay. So while true, harvest. Oh, if I spell correctly, my code might work. True has never been defined. You must assign a value to the variable. Happy now? My syntax was wrong. Infinite loop Steam achievement unlocked. Create an infinite loop. Now we're getting somewhere. Now we can get back to this. Hats! I can get hats. You've unlocked few new hat colors for your drone. Change hat. Can I run multiple codes at the same time? Wait, I can call this one hats. Just give me my hats code. Change hat. What about the cone hat that I unlocked? Hats. Is this going to show me what I have? Oh, traffic cone. So then we execute. Hold on, we need to look at this. The change hats. Cone, fashionable, equip a new hat. Okay, that's my hats cone. And we go back to the main code. Excellent. What else can we unlock? This is great. Speed. Yep, we'll take that. Speed upgrade. Oh, it did start going faster. The execution speed has been doubled. The problem is that the drone now harvests faster than the grass can grow, resulting in no harvest at all. Damn. To deal with this, if branches and can harvest functions are now unlocked. Can harvest returns true if the plant under the drone can be harvested and false otherwise. Okay, so stop this. So we don't want while true, we want if can harvest do something. If can harvest, harvest? If can harvest, harvest. But it's not a loop. So, is this what I'm supposed to do? Well, true, if can harvest, harvest. These need to be tabbed into each other. And I've done it. Code genius with my 3 lines of code that are programmed for me. Alright, we can unlock more stuff. What do we got? Oh, that's going to cost... Oh, so I can... Oh, this is 1 of 5, but then the next unlock costs wood, which I don't have yet. So, we need to increase the yield of grass. Oh, what's down here? Expand. Expands the farm and unlocks movement. Okay, I don't know if we're ready for movement yet. It's a bit advanced. Seeing as these cost hay, I think it's better off if we unlock this upgrade first to increase the yield, which makes we can get other upgrades faster. We can get a bush. Okay, 290, we're almost there. 300. Okay, we're upping the yield of hay. And then expands farm land and unlocks movement. All right, expand 1. It grew, expand the farm. I love that while we're learning new things, we're still collecting hay. Your farm has grown. This space is not much use if you can't move the drone. Has my farm grown? Oh, it has. So there's a new function, move, that moves the drone. Move requires that you specify the direction in which you want the drone to move. There are 4 new constants for this northeast, southwest. So I want while true if can harvest, then, is that just going to loop that without going to this? While true, move north? No, okay, so that's in the loop. So we put this in the loop. There's too much indentation here. I've indented too much. She's done it. All right, now we have some north movement. All right, next. Let's get ourselves some bushes in here. Plant. Grass is nice because it grows automatically. All other plants have to be planted with plant function. The only plant that can plant right now is a bush. Okay, if I do this in a loop, we're going to end up with all bushes, which is not what we want. There's my hats code. If I minimize, where does that, oh, it just minimizes here. I was like, does that go to like a bar? We'll put hats down here. Okay, we'll pause. Let's get ourselves a new code window. Plant. Oh, with the capital L? No. I want to plant it in the middle. Plant entities dot bush. We planted a bush. I see what this is doing. Let's see how this impacts our loop. Oh, it harvested the bush. The bush gives us wood. How do I plant wood like every second time? If can harvest, plant, entities, bush, run. Okay, we're just harvesting wood like this. How do I get every second one to be wood? Okay, now we're harvesting wood and grass. It's slow because the wood takes a while to grow. So if I add in 2 move north before we plant a bush, do we get 2 grass, 1 bush? It's just... Okay. It's not harvesting the wood now. Hey, we farmed 1,000 hay, but now we're not farming any wood. Oh, we're like at the pace that I want, but we're not doing what I want. Well, true, if you can harvest, maybe not harvest plant, it is. We're getting around to the bush too quickly. If you can harvest, move north, harvest, plant bush, do a flip, move north, harvest, move north. Okay, I figured out the pace. For a bush to grow, we need to do 2 flips before we harvest. We get around to harvest it. We slowed down the grass process, but we're constantly harvesting wood now. All right, we just had to add a couple of flips in there to get it to work. What else can we unlock? Oh yeah, let's expand the farm. Woo, great. Now we have so many directions. Your farm has expanded again. Now the tiles are no longer in a nice row. So you need to find a way to traverse a square grid. It's like you just figured out how to run your farm like this. And guess what? It changed. Okay, hold on. We're going to try and figure this out without the hints. Because I'm stubborn like that. Okay, stop what you're doing. Stop what you're doing. Okay, so we learnt the while loop, but now forget about the while loop. And we're in 4 territory now. In range. Get world size. What was I doing? I shouldn't have deleted the other code. Harvest, move north, harvest, plant, entities, bush, harvest, move north, harvest, plant a bush, do 2 flips, move north, harvest. We don't need to do flips because it's going to take a while for us to come back around now. Harvest, move north, harvest, plant a bush, move north, harvest, move east. Okay, it made it across the grid, but it didn't do all the squares. North, then move east. Go again. All right, now we're cooking. Okay, why aren't we looping? We're doing 4, but we're not looping. Wait, can I still use the while loop and be like while True. No. Oh, indentation. Wait, how do I indent everything? Oh, amazing. Perfection. Hire me as a developer right now. Okay, now what we can do is see how close I was with the show possible solution and hints. This mess is if how close it is to what they suggest I should do. Okay, what is your possible solution and how does it compare to what I wrote? Oh, that looks better. For I in range, get world size. For J in range, what is J? Do a flip on every tile? Okay, I did it very differently, but mine still works, so that's okay. What upgrades can we get? Print, tools to help you debugging programs, sure. Sometimes your code just doesn't work and you need to find out why. The print function can also be very useful. It will write any value passed directly into the air. Examples, print 0.24. Okay. I just want to see what this looks like. We're allowed to do this, right? Print. Hello has not been defined. Excellent. I can print a number though. Print 1. Oh, we saw it. Okay, print does work. What? A thematic comparison on logic operators. You're trying to break me. You're trying to break me. Okay, I think my skill set ends about here. The rest of the tree, we're getting complicated. I need to unlock carrots. Before you can plant carrots with plant entities carrot, you have to till the soil. This will change the ground to ground soil. To till the soil, simply call till. Calling till again will change it back to grounds grassland. Planting carrots costs wood and hay. Okay, harvest north, harvest plant bush. Move north. Harvest. Till. Plant entities. Carrot. Move north, move east. Is this going to be really... Am I going to run out of cost though because I'm planting carrots? I have a lot of hay now. 1.26k? Oh shit, it broke. Oh, because I'm tilling again. Every second time I'm not planting carrots because you don't have to re-till the soil when you harvest carrots. For the full output, truncated output warning, cannot plant entities carrots on ground grassland. I see that happening. I see it. How do I check if it's tilled? Harvest, move north, harvest, plant, bush, move north. If something, I need to check if it's tilled. If till true, plant entity, no, not east, plant entity in, no, that says plan, that's why it's not working. Plant entities carrot. Does that even work? Till doesn't have any arguments. Cool. Okay, this might be cheating, but now that it's tilled, I think I can get it to work. I just need to get it to till the first time because I don't know how to check. I don't know how to get the code to check if the ground's tilled before it does things. While true for iron range, get world size. Harvest, move north, harvest. Plant entities, bush, move north, harvest. No till now. Harvest, move north, harvest, plant, move north, harvest. Plant entities, carrot. Now I can get it. I just needed them to be tilled first. That's kind of cheating. This is so much fun. The farmer was replaced. Check it out on Steam. I think it's definitely possible to learn this from ground zero. I was essentially working from ground zero, and it is possible. I have a tiny amount of knowledge on code, and I was able to get this far. My drone is harvesting and planting, and we have so many more unlocks still to come. Like, look at this tree. Like, what is the leaderboard? Who are we competing against? Polyculture, cactus, mazes? A maze with a treasure in the middle? I mean, I have a lot to learn before I get to mazes. This is a fun way to make code not so scary and to get instant feedback on what a piece of code does, how to learn how functions work, how to learn how while loops and for loops work. If you've ever thought about stepping into the world of coding and it looks a little intimidating, this is like a great way to just, in a safe environment, let things break. You get Steam achievements for breaking things too. So let things break, learn how it works, and mess up and start again. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this little bit of The Farmer Was Replaced. I'll have a link to the game on Steam down in the description below. 100% check it out. I've been having so much fun figuring this out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. It helps me out so much and I appreciate it so much. And as always, hopefully I catch you in the next video.